Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You got to excuse my daughter today. It's wild right now. You have to go up there with it because I don't want to get, copyrighted for that because they'll do it for anything. But my kids, I'm eating spaghetti today and corn, and my two babies are taking a nap, and I'm gonna go ahead and I also got water. And I'm gonna just go ahead and eat this food because um when they wake up, I'm gonna wake them up because I don't want them to take a nap for too long because I don't want them up with me tonight. I got a lot of cleaning to do. I definitely, since I'm going grocery shopping tomorrow, I have to clean out the refrigerator and start on my list. Let's get a picture of my spaghetti and corn. Ooh, I don't want to fall. This is so good, guys. My kids love when I make spaghetti. They get so excited. I get so excited. I'm all sad because I'm not ready for them to go back to school. If I had it my way, I would homeschool them. But they have to go to school for now. Maybe before they go to middle school, I'll be able to homeschool them. But for right now, they're just gonna have to go to school, public school. But one day I want to be able to homeschool them. I have a desire to homeschool my kids. Because I want to work from home until my babies are ready to go. Both of my babies are ready to go to regular school. I just don't want them in daycare right now. I'm not ready for them to be in daycare right now. I'd rather keep my own kids. I'd rather keep my own. So I was watching Love and Hip Hop Reunion. And I see that Rashida was saying that the young lady that Kirk had a baby with, she is upset because she want them to have she want Kirk to be around like they are in a relationship. And I was reading online, the young lady was saying that's not true. So you don't know what to believe. But um everybody been talking so negative about Rashida, calling her a doormat, but you guys don't know what people truly are going through. A lot of people don't want to let go of their marriage, especially if they're married for a long time. But that's those people's situation. But I don't believe everything that's on reality TV. Some things are true, and some things are, they have to make a storyline. So you can't knock them about that. Everybody got to make money, right? Everybody ain't in to make money. I don't really like the word clout chasing because, especially the way they use it on YouTube, it's so annoying. Like some of the new bigger YouTubers always saying somebody clout chasing them, or even the smaller ones. And I'm like, if that's the case, we all clout chasing because we all are making videos to get views. Like, seriously. Even if it's a hobby, you're putting it on YouTube to get views, right? That's crazy. I'm loving this spaghetti. I use Prego sauce. I like Prego sauce. I like Prego sauce. I'm just I got all the school clothes. My mom's supposed to take them to get book bags. I think next week. She told me she called me and told me ahead of time that she was taking them to get book bags. But I know that dad's gonna buy them one too. So, but I already bought their lunch boxes. Um, you guys look forward to my grocery haul, Lord willing, tomorrow. But I love like cleaning. That's like one of my passions. I love cleaning. And I like rearranging things. I love it. It's amazing. I love rearranging things. I love decorating things. I love cleaning. I love cleaning more than I love doing anything. And I love cooking too. That's a lot that I love to do, guys. I'm so passionate about it. And I want to get a job at home because I'm just, oh, excuse me, guys, with the smacking. But I'm just a homebody. I always loved to be home. I never like, I think I've been to the club like once or twice in my life. I haven't been to the club. What? Not a club person. I love water. We always have a lot of it. I always buy a lot of water. I'm so ready in the fall for the fall. I can't wait to decorate my house and decorate my yard. Brown eyes on a budget. She gets me so excited about decorating stuff. I just love it. I got a couple of pairs of scrubs that I can't wear. That's too small. I want to sell those on OfferUp. So anybody ever try OfferUp or Poshmark? If you have, comment below and tell me how was it on selling the clothes or selling anything on Poshmark, because I never sold anything on Poshmark before. I always did OfferUp. I always sold stuff on OfferUp. I meet them in a public place, a public parking lot when I know it's going to be a lot of traffic. I'm not going to meet them somewhere where it's not busy. Sorry. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Because I'm just skeptical about it anyways. I have bought stuff off for Christmas for my kids. Got my daughter's dollhouse. I don't know if you guys ever seen it before, but I bought it from off of there. It was on $20. I only got it for $20, and then when she get tired of it, I'll be putting it right on OfferUp, y'all. I'm almost done, guys. I enjoy this spaghetti and this corn. Already big piece. Anyways, guys, I'm about to go and do some more cleaning. And I'm thank you guys so much for watching this mukbang, or whatever you call it. I hope you guys enjoy watching. I'll talk to you guys later. God bless you.